Hello and welcome back to G-Security, and in this video today we are going to learn how to search, install and remove tools on a Parrot Linux system. The Parrot Linux operating system contains the most common tools used in the field of penetration testing. However, it is not practical to include every single tool present in the Parrot Linux repository. Therefore, we'll need to discuss how to search for, install or remove tools. In this section, we'll be exploring the Advanced Package Tool or APT toolset, as well as other commands that are useful in performing maintenance operations on the Parrot Linux operating system. APT or Advanced Package Tool is a set of tools that helps manage packages or applications on a Debian-based system. Since Parrot is based on Debian, we can use APT to install and remove applications, update packages, and even upgrade the entire system. The magic of APT lies in the fact that it is a complete package management system that installs or removes the requested package by satisfying its requirements and dependencies. Let's start with the first one, apt update. So, information regarding apt packages is cached locally to speed up any sort of operation that involves querying the apt database. Therefore, it is always good practice to update your operating system with the list of available packages, including information related to their versions, descriptions, etc. We can do this with the apt update command. Now, to upgrade my Parrot Linux system, I can do sudo apt update, and it will go ahead and try to update the packages, and it will tell me that 3 packages can be upgraded. That brings us to the second one, apt upgrade. After the apt database has been updated using the command apt update, we can upgrade the installed packages and core system to the latest versions using the apt upgrade command. In order to upgrade a single package, we can add the package name of the after the apt upgrade command. For example, I can do sudo apt upgrade nmap, and this will go ahead and try to upgrade nmap. So it seems like nmap is already in the latest version. So let me try to upgrade another tool. Let me do sudo apt upgrade, let's say John. Okay, John is also in the latest version. We can do Metasploit framework. All my tools seem to be in the latest version. Okay, so that's how you upgrade, sudo apt upgrade followed by the package or the tool name. Now we can go to the next one, apt-cache, search and apt-show. The apt-cache search command displays much of the information stored in the internal cached package database. For example, let's say we want to install the Pure-Ftpd application via apt. The first thing we have to do is to find out whether or not the application is present in the Parrot Linux repositories. To do so, we will proceed by using the search term on the command line. I can do apt-cache search Pure-Ftpd, and there it is. So we can confirm that indeed it's there. Okay, the output has just indicated that the application is present in the Parrot Linux repositories. There are also a few authentication extensions for the Pure-Ftpd applications that may be installed if needed. Now let's go to the next one, apt install. So the apt install command can be used to add a package to the system with the apt install command followed by the package name. let's continue the installation of Pure-Ftpd. Now I know we have to run sudo apt install Pure-Ftpd. So it is asking if we want to continue. I can just do yes, then enter. Sorry. Or you can just put a Y, and it will go ahead and ignore the. So this will go ahead and install the Pure-Ftpd. It's unpacking. So just like that, we have installed Pure-Ftpd on our Parrot Linux system. Similarly, we can remove the package with the command apt remove -purge, which is the next on our list. The apt remove -purge. So the apt remove purge command completely removes a package from the Parrot Linux system. It is important to note that removing a package with apt remove removes all package data but leaves usually small modified user configuration files behind. In this case, the removal was accidental. Adding the -purge option removes all the leftovers. I can do sudo apt remove -- or -purge Pure-Ftpd, and this will go ahead and remove Pure-Ftpd and any leftovers that may be left behind on our system. As usual, there's a prompt, but if you want to ignore it, you can just do yes. If you want to ignore it, you can always put a Y at the end, and it will go ahead and ignore the prompt and proceed with the complete installation of the Ftpd. And just like that, we have removed the Pure-Ftpd. Now the last one is dpkg. So dpkg is the core tool used to install a package either directly or indirectly through apt. It is also the preferred tool to use when operating offline, when you don't have internet connection, since it does not require an active internet connection to work. We should also note that dpkg will not install any dependencies that the package might require. To install a package dpkg, you can provide the -i or -- install option and the path to the deb package file. This assumes that the deb file of the package to install has been previously downloaded or obtained in some other way. So I don't know if I have any deb package tool. I don't think I have any deb package tool. Okay, I have Discord. So let me proceed to change directory. So is it? So I can do sudo dpkg -i then Discord. Note that the file extension ends with .deb file. Okay, so if I run this command, it will go ahead and install the Discord tool or software on my Parrot Linux system. I've already installed it. So that's how you install a deb file using dpkg. Now, wrapping up, in this module we have explored some tips and tricks on how users can install different applications and softwares on most Debian systems, because most of them use the apt package manager. So this was it for today. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you have liked it, give a thumbs up, like, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.